Hi everyone, this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2020 Toyota Tundra Limited. The 2020 Toyota Tundra Limited is a beast with a 381 horsepower, 5.7 liter V8 engine. You get a 6-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence, sequential shift mode, and uphill-downhill shift logic. You get the 4-wheel demand part-time 4-wheel drive with an electronically controlled transfer case, active torque control, and an automatic limited slip differential. And you can tow anything you want with a 9,100-pound towing capacity. Here on the exterior, we have LED headlights with LED accent lights with the manual level control and the auto on-off feature. You get chrome heated power outside mirrors. You get chrome accented outside door handles with the touch sensor lock unlock feature. You get 10.4 inches of ground clearance, and you get up to 6.5 feet of bed in the back.
Here on the interior, you get an 8-inch touchscreen with premium audio, dynamic navigation, dynamic point of interest search, and an integrated backup camera. You get Bluetooth wireless technology, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. You get 7 speakers in this model, a USB media port, and 2 USB charge ports. You get the horizontal rear window with the privacy glass, and you get seating for up to 5 with the 60-40 split fold-up rear seats.
The 2020 Toyota Tundra Limited also comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more.
So if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota Tundra, the Limited might have everything you need. So come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.